our top 5 ultimate homeschool supplies. Let's find out. Hi, my name is Jennifer. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. I'm thankful that you're here. On my channel, we talk about all things homeschool. And today, I am so excited to be joining a collab hosted by Leilani from Living with Eve on our top 5 ultimate homeschool supplies. Thank you so much, Leilani, for hosting this and then letting me join. I really appreciate it. Below, please find the link to Living with Eve as well as the playlist. I have seen some of the channels that are participating in this collab, and you want to make sure that you check out all of the videos because you are going to be inspired and get some great ideas regarding the top 5 ultimate homeschool supplies. For my 5, I want to preface this by saying that I have a 5th grader. So my 5 may be a little bit older, but I did consult with her on what we deem together to be the top 5. We agreed on numbers 1 through 4. Number 5, we kind of disagreed on a little bit, but that's okay. So top 5. Number 1, the whiteboard. This whiteboard is our by far favorite supply. Both of us agreed it is the number 1 thing that we would not want to do homeschool without. We use it every day, multiple times a day. We use it for math, we use it for language, we use it often for science. This whiteboard does stand up, which is so great for me because I didn't have the wall space to hang a whiteboard, which is one of the reasons that we really like it. And secondly, it is magnetic, so we can use our magnetic math manipulatives on there as well, which is definitely useful. So our number 1 ultimate homeschool supply is the whiteboard. We wouldn't try homeschool without it. Number 2, Sidewalk Chalk. So we love Sidewalk Chalk. What we have is called Chalk-a-doodles, and so these are the ability to put the sidewalk chalk in and out so we can replace it. This was actually a gift that Ellie received, and it has been awesome because we use sidewalk chalk a lot. We have used sidewalk chalk for years. We've learned the alphabet on sidewalk chalk. We've learned spelling through sidewalk chalk. We do multiplication and division, addition, subtraction. We use sidewalk chalk. It's just a great way to get outdoors, still have learning, have some fun while we're in the process. We have drawn so many different things on our sidewalk. Anything from learning the different names of teeth to the different parts of a flower. We love sidewalk chalk. So sidewalk chalk has been something that we have been utilizing for years and has been so helpful in our homeschool. I couldn't imagine homeschooling without sidewalk chalk. Number 3 of our favorites are these Cinnabooks from the dollar store. You can get them at the dollar store. Sometimes I find them too for $1 at Walmart, but we use them for quite a few different things. This one is for the United States presidents, where Ellie just puts in the presidential sticker, then some information about the presidents. We also use one for her vocabulary words. She has a math one where she glues some of the printouts that we do and draws her own graphs. But this is something that we do use quite frequently for multiple subjects. We really enjoy these Cinnabooks. They're durable and they don't tear out quite like your regular notebook or like when we put things in a 3-ring binder. So Cinnabooks are number 3 ultimate homeschool supply. Our number 4 is Ellie's laptop. So when we were looking for a laptop for her, I wanted something that was small, which, you know, here's my hand, so it kind of shows you how big this is. It is relatively small. I wanted inexpensive, and so we have the HP Stream 11 laptop, which, as far as laptops goes, was fairly inexpensive. We did find it on a Christmas sale, and we paid less than $200 for it. And so that was great for a laptop. She has Microsoft Suite on here, so she's able to be learning PowerPoint, Word, Excel on this laptop. She also uses it for her keyboarding class, since her keyboarding is Keyboarding Without Tears, which is an online class. She also uses it for OutSchool, so any of the classes that she has throughout school she can do on here. And this has been amazing. It's something that she really enjoys. She likes having her own laptop. It again didn't break the bank when we purchased it, and she's starting to use it in writing some of her stories that she uses with her IEW curriculum. So we are really, really enjoying this. And as she's getting older, it's something that she can use, throughout middle school. So this is our number 4. So number 5, Ellie and I did disagree on number 5. My number 5 is this bag, which I love, and let me show you why. My mother-in-law purchased this bag for me for Christmas a couple of years ago, and I did not really use it for what it was intended for, but the reason that I really like it is the perfect fit to fit Ellie's textbooks in. So whenever we are going to the park where we want to do a little bit of work outside of the house, so be it at her grandparents' house, or we're taking an educational trip where we have some work to do, or we have to, or we're even just going to the coffee shop and we're going to do school at the coffee shop. I like this bag because we can fit whatever we need in here. It is extremely durable. So I was concerned about adding textbooks to it and this breaking, but it is reinforced, and I really like that. On top of that, in a pinch in the car, we are able to play some games if I'm sitting in the back seat with her, because we have this little flat top area with the sides, so we don't lose any of the dice that we're playing with. Also, there are so many pockets where we can include erasers, pens, pencils, highlighters, cards, etc. So this bag is my number 5, but let me show you what Ellie's number 5 is. Ellie's number 5 are these posters. So I was able to get this different parts of speech from the dollar store, and then also we have the parts of speech here, and then the prepositions here for our prepositions poster. So these posters are what she considers to be her number 5 in the Ultimate Homeschool Supplies. She said that they were extremely helpful. So there are our top 5 ultimate homeschool resources. Thank you so much. I guess we actually had 6. That's my 5 and Ellie's 5. But thank you so much for watching. And thank you, Leilani, for hosting this collab and allowing me to participate. I really appreciate it. Please make sure that you check out the playlist below. You will find so many great ideas on homeschool supplies. Please, if you have other supplies that I didn't mention, include those in the comments below. I love learning from you. I really appreciate the feedback. Also, I will include in the description box links to these supplies in hopes to help you out. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure to do so. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the feedback that you have been giving me, and I'm enjoying getting to know you through YouTube. I hope that you have a great day. Bye.